Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on any of our latest content. Today, we're going to be talking about something that's an absolute game changer for anyone who loves spending time outdoors, the hammock rope fittings. Now, let me tell you, these fittings are an absolute must-have for anyone who enjoys camping, hiking, or just relaxing in their backyard. Made from high-quality, durable materials, these fittings are designed to provide you with a safe and secure way to set up your hammock wherever you go. Imagine being able to easily and quickly set up your hammock without having to worry about it coming loose or falling. With these fittings, you can rest assured that your hammock will stay put, giving you the peace of mind to truly relax and enjoy the great outdoors. Not to mention, these fittings are incredibly easy to use. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor enthusiast or a beginner, you'll have no trouble setting up your hammock with these fittings. It's as simple as 1-2-3, so, if you're someone who loves to spend time in nature and wants to enhance their outdoor experience, I highly recommend getting your hands on these hammock rope fittings. Trust me, once you try them out, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your own set of hammock rope fittings and take your outdoor relaxation to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.